Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can connect our Bluetooth headphones or earbuds to OPPO A60. In order to pair the Bluetooth device with our OPPO A60, first we need to go to the settings, then tap on Bluetooth, and first we need to activate Bluetooth. So tap on the slider on the right side in order to turn it on. We'll start detecting available devices. So now we can open our Bluetooth headphones. So in my case I have these earbuds. And of course you need to enter the pairing mode on your Bluetooth device. Now of course this varies depending on the Bluetooth headphone or device itself. In my case I need to press and hold a button on the right side. And now I'm certain that I am in the pairing mode. Once you have the pairing mode and the list of available devices is done, then you can tap on refresh over here in order to start searching one more time. And this time you should be able to find your Bluetooth headphones. So wait a couple of seconds and there we go. I have mine over here. I can tap on my headphones. Then I can also allow access to contacts and call logs. And then I need to press pair in order to connect. And there we go. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.